You probably make calls on your iPhone every day, but did you know that your iPhone could potentially be forwarding your phone calls to a different device or sharing your personal information on your iPhone to someone else? I'm going to walk you through all of the privacy settings you need to make sure are turned on or off in your iPhone before making those calls. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up the phone app and get to the keyboard or keypad. The first dial that we're going to do is *#002# and hit call. You'll be able to see on here it says setting interrogation succeeded, voice call forwarding, and it should say disabled on all of these. Data call forwarding, disabled, fax call forwarding, disabled, etc. Just go through this entire list and make sure everything is disabled. If you see anything that is enabled, or you just want to be sure that it is not enabled, you can dial #002# and hit call. After you've done that, you can see setting deactivation succeeded. So on all of these, all the call forwarding, the SMS forwarding, all of these are now deactivated. But that's not the only thing that could be sharing your information when you make phone calls. Let's hop out of here and open up the settings app instead. And let's scroll down to the bottom, tap on apps, and then we're going to scroll down until we find phone on this list and tap on that. The first thing you should check is to make sure that you're okay with Apple Intelligence and Siri being able to learn how you use your phone and basically use it to make recommendations through Siri and Apple Intelligence. If you're okay with that, you can leave these on, or you can turn this off so that Apple Intelligence and Siri cannot learn about how you make and receive calls. The next thing I would recommend doing is going to share name and photo. If you want to be able to share your name and photo with the people that call you, this is perfectly fine. However, I would recommend going in here and making sure that you're okay with this. If it says contacts only, you might want to switch this to only ask, essentially asking you first before it automatically shares your name and your photo with other people. Next, let's hop out of here and let's scroll down a little bit. There are a couple other things as well. Let's tap on call forwarding on here and make sure this is turned off. If this is turned on, it could potentially be forwarding your phone calls to a different phone number. Again, without your permission, make sure that is not turned on, and then you can just go back and toggle it off to prevent any kind of call forwarding. Let's also go into audio call recording. You can see this allows your phone app to record conversations during your call. Again, if you're okay with this and you want to record calls, you can leave this on. However, in a lot of instances, people don't use this, and you might want to toggle this off just to be safe that it's not going to record any of your phone calls or anyone else recording your phone calls without your permission. Now, let's go back out of here and tap on Show My Caller ID. This is another thing. Do you want to show who you are calling, essentially what your name is when you're calling somebody? If you're okay with showing your caller ID, then you can leave this turned on. Or if you'd rather stay anonymous, you can always turn that off, and now it won't show the other person that you're calling along with your name. After you've gone through all of these settings, I would also scroll down and choose whether you want to screen unknown callers, essentially help prevent spam and fake and deceptive calls, as well as call filtering. You can see I have it set to silence, and then call filtering turn on for unknown callers and spam callers as well. After you make all of those, then you can be confident you're making and receiving phone calls on your phone without any issues. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.